Hello friends, first of all, welcome back to my channel, Classy Fashion Ideas. I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Now, let's move to the details of this video. As far as we are concerned with this video, so the purpose of this video is very important, that in this video, I'm here with you along with a very stylish, very beautiful and yet designer style, new hand embroidered face mask designs. These hand embroidered face mask designs are totally new, very trending and very easy to make at the same time. These face masks consist of various variety of designs with multiple color combinations that are favorable for every gender, every age group person. That is, these masks could be used by teenagers, small girls, children, boys, men, women, and people of older ages as well. Friends, as all of you could see that a number of designs and a variety of designs have been shown with a multiple color range of fabric designings. That is, from light range to dark colors of fabric masks have been shown, and very decent and delicate color combination of thread have been used to do the embroidery pattern. And as far as we are concerned with the embroidery stitches, then the embroidery stitches are also very easy. You can have knowledge of only 1 to 2 embroidery stitch and then you can make this entire mask pattern. That is, if you know knot stitches like French knot, boolean knot, then it is good for you. Or if you don't know anything, then the simplest stitch, lazy daisy stitch, could make your whole mask. And fly stitch, stem stitch as well. And one more thing, you can make these masks to look some more shiny, flexible, comfortable and beautiful at the same time. You can make them by using silk ribbon. Multiple designs of silk ribbon embroidery has also been shown with the hand embroidered designs. And this is the main design. Model is wearing the red mask and a number of 5 mask designs have been shown. All of them are silk ribbon embroidered. And if you want to go some more stylish and royal, then you can have a black mask. On black mask you can use 1 to 2 color combination pattern that is very suitable, and the same way you can make some decent and elegant look by wearing some white, off-white, beige and skin color masks. I hope friends my today's video would be helpful for you and you will get amazing and stylish ideas of very stylish, beautiful, lightweight, reusable, washable, cotton filter pockets based face mask designs. So friends, take care of yourselves, stay blessed, allow me to leave. You don't go anywhere. Please watch the video till end so that you can get all the amazing and stylish ideas. Stay blessed. Keep remember me in your prayers. We will soon be back with you along with some new and stylish design ideas. Up till then, take care. Goodbye. And keep watching my videos. Keep supporting us. Keep loving us. And subscribe my other channels as well. I have added the link to description and at the end of this video as well.